Yeah. Gaza. Oi! Yeah, my people were there and you don't know, just I go and hold it, you see me? I don't feel so strong, but alright, you see me? I'm just tired. Cause I'm not sleeping, I'm up edit Spice, look a 30-minute interview with Rosalie the whole of last night. It take me about 4 hours to edit it because when me done do the reviewing, when me done for do the review, it end up become like 2 hours and 40 odd minutes. So when I edit it now, it become 2 hours and 20 odd minutes or a little less. And then now, I end up lose it because 2 hours will heap of storage that, so my phone couldn't save it. So I end up lose it. I have to delete things out of my phone to get space and then start over this morning and then me end up done edit it again by lunchtime today Saturday. See? But really Friday, from in a Friday night, I start the first editing from about 7 o'clock in the night and done after 12 or minutes to 12. And then I'm going to lose that one day for start over again in the morning. I'm done by 12 o'clock on Saturday. And send it up. See, because I never want to lose it again. So I realized that the sound on the Spices video never really done well because the volume did a buck when I did a screen record them video. You see me the podcasting with Spice and Rosalie. But that now got me again because I understand why the sound keep a echo. You see it? So I fixed that now. So no more video. I'm not supposed to get with the echoing. See, no, my bad for that. But right now we have foot hype to talk about Vybz Kartel as usual and how Vybz Kartel sell out for they with Sidem, you see me? They must say Vybz Kartel, foot hype I say Vybz Kartel take money from the white nation of people for stay with Sidem. Cause them want black jeans mixed with white jeans and all type of madness. You see me? Him going on some knowledgeable things still, you know, when me even involve myself, I try educate the people upon him live. But a lot of the secrecy where the elites them know I would know, you see me? Yeah. But Foota just love mix up cartel name in any little thing where him have a go on, you see it? So we'll use our channel for fix him and set him straight, but we not go over the pan film platform go challenge him in idea. Yeah. Cause me telling him I'm tired, you see me? But just there and listen and most of all. And then through me is a knowledgeable youth, so some party a little at the end. I make them know what Los Angeles is about and City of the Los Angeles and make them know say that's the fallen angels them will get kicked out of heaven drop. You see me? I make them know say Saskatchewan in Canada, that's where the Sasquatch are. That's where they were and probably still is up in the mountains of Saskatchewan in Canada. Right? So follow the name and you can't miss, you can't believe if you follow the name. You know, say? Los Angeles, the Lost Angels, where God forbids from heaven. Yeah, so let's follow the name them, see? But this cartel and see them thing we might talk about is madness. Cause them would I really want a white girl like see them a Turkish. You know, them can't secure a girl like that. Vybz Kartel have the best woman in the business. So I say, where every man want a woman like Sidem, who is just basking in her femininity. She not masculine like most of the Jamaican girl them. You know, she's just so nice, so soft spoken, so loving, so nurturing. Just a perfect example of what a woman is and should be like. You see me? Yeah, now we have the Spice and Lisa Hanna, the Honorable former Minister of Parliament, Lisa Hanna, with Spice on the Girl Era, Soft Girl Era podcast. Yeah, big up Spice. You know, hope she take the podcasting the serious. Cause she start already a long time, you know. And we see that she never really take it serious. I look like Spice love the, you know, she love the tegeric behavior instead of the ladylike thing where she knows is right that she feel pre and I do and try better herself to be more modest. You know, say Spice not so modest, you know. That's why she asks Lisa Hanna for tips and advice on how to be modest. You see me? And she was trying to play modest with Rosalie, and she had tried to teach Rosalie to be modest, but she couldn't do it because she can't teach herself. I'm not despise, I just the truth. But hopefully she learn and become a better woman who, you know, is honest and is easily aggravated over some foolishness. Like when I go tell her, say, like when I go make a comment on Cartel page, say, Spice a compete with Sidem. She get in her feelings and block me. Attack me too. I'll reach on my DM. So she need to get rid of them like a behavior there. You see me? Big up on herself still. We're gonna let this play by foot of hype. Mad thing, yes.
Yes, shoes where England people love.
In England.
England it come from Jamaica. So I couldn't class take care of. Zin, I have Primark and all of these places. We sell Air Force One and everything. Yes, no. What kind of shoes?
One energy man.
Energy, where you dealing?
Bring the energy. Ramp with energy, you know.
So me see her mother call, me in sympathy with her mother. I first me talk about it, but listen, it's now crazy. And tell me if me wrong. The daughter get locked up, right?
Yeah.
And get bail. She did at Jamaica 1 year old. She breed, think me she sound like somebody who want to go home. She sound like somebody who want to go home.
She not going nowhere. She not nowhere go, man.
She not go nowhere. She love Jamaica. She love Jamaica. She not sell out.
That girl is Jamaica convince her and start to baby.
Yeah.
Food, you know.
Yes.
You not get no trouble, man. Nobody knows them and I regular with them.
Yeah.
Man, I want to hear.
And she know a cocky. To me, a cocky make she do it. May I tell her?
Dignitized first and then she goes to
Yeah. And her friend done a fuck. Her friend done a fuck on the nigga them. And link up, she them attack my phone, so she glad to go. And she go and she get too much food, and she feel good. And the boy them just have them and say, oh, do the thing, care up them here. A cocky cause it. Cause she know in her head so this can't make sense.
She have to know about that.
I know she read that she just tired of ink.
Social media or she not have no knowledge.
She not tell her mother the truth. She just love Jamaica and cocky and she don't want to go home.
It's a blood clot, man.
She breed now. I have picnic. And she will her mother. To me, her mother stress more than she. Because she not stress. Because you could have never stress and go and breed. Could have never.
Yo, there was one time I travel with weed by Mr. Jill. I have to that pocket. I travel from Jamaica. I want to love it, bro. I travel from Kingston, then got Miami, from Miami to Atlanta, from Atlanta to Hamburg, from Hamburg to Turkey, and from Turkey to a country named Kazakhstan. I want to love it, man. When I reach Kazakhstan, them give the visa. Can I get the visa at the airport? Is in the immigration. So it's like when the people them go to me, I talk to them, it's like my phone, unlike so, you know, and my feel a little back in my pocket, and I have to tell myself, see the blood clot this. But me try to not panic, me killer. I remember I was in a Turkey, bro, it's a Turkey, or Kazakhstan, if them catch me with weed, me no sit back in like a day, and me killer. Brother, me go to the man, I like when the boy tell me, say, yo, me have to pay extra for the visa. And when they give me money, I say, nah, I change. You see me? I say, yo, keep the change, man. It's all right, man. I just want to live out how you put the killer. It's a hot, brother. It's a nice big bag. I found in my pocket, my killer. Foot out, not even wrist like nothing like Kazakhstan enough. Not even wrist like my killer. It's a cigar, me buy my killer. It's a cigar, me go to the man buy my killer.
I should thought I use it.
And there one place I smoke and I said to my brother, I know say, brother, it's like some place in Singapore, you know, a life, you know, life sentence, you know, make it like.
Jesus, I'm crying.
Death penalty, you get a them place in the killer, man. You don't get all weed, blood clot, you got. Me not take a risk for no boy, make it like, no girl. Me never take a risk for myself, make it like, not let that too. Maybe like one time, way back in the days before them machine here. You know what I mean? But
brother, not even black in ideas. Me not there for that with nobody.
The days like in the early 80s, 90s, them part days, you know, before the machine and get serious. You see me? Maybe them try them take a look at risk. But not
me not. Alright, then I know since Buju Banton thing. Every time I go up on a plane, I pray to God send nobody to sit down beside me. Brother, I regularly say God, please don't let nobody sit down beside me. Do me a beg. When people sit down beside me, I get paranoid. I don't want to talk. I don't want just feel. I saw me turn my head. That's why I take window seat. I turn my head so. I put on my mask and go so. Don't ask me no. One conversation, dog. Yeah, conversation, man. Me don't want to see nobody. Me don't want to chat to nobody. Love me, bro. Boy, born a carry.
Believe me.
Born a carry. 8 crazy. 8 pair of shoes. Crazy. 8 pair of shoes. Where the fuck you carry 8 pair of shoes at England for?
You know, Russell man a joke, man. Like a brother, a joking man. You see me? Lock up a Jamaica, hell, you know, but lock up in America, them places dry, man, the killer.
Crazy. Even if me I run with a fine, when me I go with 8 pair of shoes, me still a try act. Where the fuck am I going with 8 pair of shoes?
If I used to miss Marina, I could understand. If I saw miss
if me I run with, crazy, if me I run with, I want pair of shoes me I run with, I want slippers. That's it. Me don't want nothing more from my foot. So all them pair carry blood clot 8 pair of shoes from Jamaica to England. What kind of shoes that? Me still I wonder what kind of shoes that. I must have space shoes. I must have astronaut blood clot shoes.
I must do that. They make you blood clot and they must tell them.
I must have Capleton shoes them. I must.
Could be. The part action.
Cut it. Cheaper.
One cutty man.
What cheap? Wait, cut it. What cheaper? Wait, crazy. More yen.
It's cheaper for buy. Remember?
What do you mean?
It's cheaper at Jamaica.
The shoes them?
Yeah, it's cheaper.
Cause it's real.
So, no, wait now. Remember, in America you have a place named Canal Street.
Yeah.
Remember, say England you have the flea market. None of them not cheaper than them. None. So me want to know, she got prison for 1 year and 6 months, plus catch a belly, plus can left Jamaica, that cheaper? that blood clot cheaper.
She never just She never just free that way. Them just tell her, say, listen me, shoes are foreign too dear, expensive, so it's cheaper. So go with them.
Yo, the man them wicked, the man them make the girl get locked up and she come out, the man then say, corner and knock out her goal post. And then Jamaican man are wicked there.
Sonny, she get released?
She there road in a year.
Yeah, man,
she a baby. Man, them out the blood. It must feel like Jamaican man ramp with gas.
Man, I'm moving them and making a footer.
You know, you Andrew only say, you must leave Europe and come home, come breed a girl. That
I want the man and them.
Yeah, and them not dead for hungry man. But you are going on. More know Andrew well. In the same breath, when he must say, you have to forward Zin and come breed girl. Zin, him take money to push man and girl. So you have ball now to the baby man. I can't understand. Yo, I can't brother. Andrew, you have to make up your mind. Choose one, Andrew. You want to play shit up or you want baby back?
But Footer, I know they say when I take a level my Brazil and the whole world they're talking about you see in a Germany you know, the German population almost dead out like give and take. Let's say about 15 to 20 years. The real German population done enough. A mixed German fitness. You have some country where we have pay them one payment to build girl when they kill her.
No, I'm just like I tell you now. So enough of the man them are Jamaica. Listen this. The mongrel depends on America, England and Canada. Because that's how we raise. When we raise on the 3 places you think of foreign. America, Canada, England. But you see now, you have some place like Greenland and Switzerland, and some place where you come live. Them are pay you thousands of US dollars to come live and breed woman over there. So all of the man them, but they are Jamaica, a kill picnic, and a broke place, go fly out and fuck and get money. And I'm just thinking about them will pay for your papers, them give citizenship, and them pay you. Only thing, you're not gonna have no wedding, you're not gonna have no uptown Mondays, you're not have none of that. And that's some boring blood clot place where you just know fuck and breed girl. That is it. And you want to count of
that I think
yeah, but them out there Jamaica.
When they get to the foreign, decide to so them want to live when they reach on the age, you have to agree with it, or we just give them a place to live. You see me, I saw them place around in the killer.
Yeah man, but the man never have to know say them can sell fuck and have money. You see me I say? No, I real thing. I know me a farm it crazy out there. Them have a money in the plaza, the real thing. Them have a look kind of Denmark or one of them places there. But them have a little community. I must see. Me remember 6,000 people alone live there or something. And them have pay thousands of dollars to move there. I don't know, Joe.
I Finland when I time, I think of Finland. It's like the single woman them over there come say, yo, the married woman them have to start shit them man because you have to country me killer way.
Man shot
woman me killer.
Sure.
It have come like 100 woman to one man in a some country you die.
Yeah.
Them say, yo, them woman they were married have to share them husband because you see me, it can't work. That's a
I remember some part of Europe, you know. Woman not allow you to look them, you know. Them look here, you know. Them what? Go out and date them and go look, man.
Fast.
A real thing.
But if the Jamaican still, let me say I think in Europe, you see, no all, but not for the African man them quality thing because you have to understand, bro. Some African man are forward from not even a third world country, but we just see the 10th world country because enough African youth will run where them now come from real civilization. So when them drop in a big first world country, them don't really know how to be here. You see me say, you see like all of the black man them know, them put in a one back. That's why enough of the African man them ever see them as Jamaican. You get me say?
Yeah.
But if you want to be a Jamaican in any foreign country, make it people know you are Jamaican. I want different level of power they have making it, believe me. Yeah, man.
I hear now. Them trick enough for the people, you know, because you have some girl love talk about, oh, I can't bother with no more Jamaican, I can't bother with no more black man. A white man share date, she don't understand, say, it is a planned thing. To the white man have more money and get, because them population are dead out. So they want to get stronger kids. They want to get kids with better DNA. So they love when the black man, black woman, and when the white man breed the black woman. That's why every movie you see now are interracial. Every advertisement interracial. Everything you see them do are interracial. You understand what I'm saying? That's why you see Kartel come from jail and I promote interracial. In no war go on. It's a agenda where I run money. You understand what I'm saying? The white man not try to split them race. So them know how we divide it again and they want to mix now. They notice every white girl I look at black man. Every one of them. And to the black man I like him now and I say, oh she love me. Love your pussy wall is a mission them depend. A mission them.
Yeah,
but no. You don't get interracial youth.
But the thing is still, you don't know anything about like, you have someone who is solid, you have someone who is solid, you have someone who is weak. You see me? Me when I strong one, them killer. You see me? Me when I strong one, them killer.
Here you go crazy. Here you go. And this is what the black race needs to understand. It's not right, you know, to do interracial, but if you are going to do it, make sure you benefit. Because we can tell you in a 90% of the interracial situation, them, the black person always a dead left the white person. Just look into it. From today, look into it and see if I like that. Then make sure they're dead first and the riches stay in the white community.
Well, the thing is, them now go get to feed me. Them now go get to do certain things to me. Them can't kill me off me killer. Me no sticky.
Crazy. Yeah, idiot. Remember you have sex with a woman without condom. One injection and you ram your cocky in that and things start, nanoparticles start go into your hood and go in your body you don't even know. You can see it. You know what technology? What is not clear? No, she not. Bro, you not understand. Maybe she not know. What you think when they go? Certain doctor office. Listen to what me I said. Good enough. Yeah. When they go to doctor office and certain job application, why do you think they ask you what is your race? What race have to do with your blood clot job? What race have to do with your qualification?
Well, you have to them not ask for verses to do. Not Germany. Them not ask for verses. You see me?
No, you have to about entertainment show me talk. When you're doing job application, them ask you.
Yeah.
Them ask you, bro. You know why? Because they want to know exactly who you are. When you go to the hospital and you put that for your thing, bro, they know which one of the medicine to give and which one not to give. You never know that. When they pay you based on your job application, they know what percentage to give as pay and one of the give. Your pay can exceed this amount because you are black. And you get this amount because you are white. Certain benefits are minimal to you because you are black. And because you are white, even Hispanic people are still black. Get more than we when them sign them job application.
Makes sense, no, but it depends. Alright. Mercy, I think, bro. Even though I know you, everything about cat. Like Germany, Sweden, Italy. Then I three Denmark. Then I like three of the country. Four of the country. Yo. You see the black people them like refugee when people go to my escape from them country. Then there's so much country but take them in, you see me? And go to make them seek refugee in them country. But never see no man, they have to be attached to this bomb class. You see me? But when I catch you is that the need. Because remember now, only immigrant can make a country grow in a real life. Without immigrant country can't grow because the people that will live in a certain country, they're not the same work. You see me?
But you understand, but you fully not understand. Let me teach you something.
Yeah.
Enough time we as African people, because we don't have money, we think that everything that these people do is based on money. No. It's not based on money. It's based on survival. So when them are letting the immigrant, then it's not basically about jobs and work. And that them are about. You see the DNA we possess from God. That is the most important thing that the white man needs. Now, the only way to truly collect your DNA from you, to teeth it, is through sexual intercourse and reproduction. Crazy, remember they used to pluck out the teeth, and try to put it in their head, but it can't work. Remember they used to try to chop off a finger them and sew it up and feed them, can't work. Them do every blood clotting already. Better than chop out the head, and take out the brain, and try to put in feed them brain, You see the movie, Get Out, brother? It tell about the whole of them something and just watch that movie, the message tonight. So here what them do now, them get to realize that wow. The only way we can get the DNA is by creating children with the DNA. Them even used to eat with, exactly, somebody has to. So what them do now, they start finding out that go through sex. So here we do as black people, we not in a sense now. We only think about living until we dead. We don't make preparation to 100 years after we dead, That's our black people biggest problem. We only think about what we are living and more and see me picking them grow. We not accept the fact that we are got dead. You can't live forever. So what you are set? What kind of plan you are set to the next 100 years? What your great grandchildren them are come do? We not think about that. While the white man, I think about that when they pick the barn. So them pass on things from him to him son to him son. Them have something locked up in a vault. Do this when they reach the age, do that, and it goes on and on and on.
Fact.
You understand what I say? So that's how the problem they know. We now pre-plan, but them are pre-plan. Show you how the pre-plan in a full effect now. Crazy. But we have to teach each other, See? You teach me and me teach you.
That.
See how the pre-plan into effect now. When you go to Amsterdam, you over Europe. Some of the sexiest white girl them in the world in existence right now. Amsterdam, Belgium, you see some thick girl, some wonder where them from. Remember, white girls never used to have ass. White girl never used to have hips.
Slim, model type.
Them used to only have breasts alone. See, remember, white people in general never used to have white teeth. White people in general never used to have thick lips. Why you think them have it now? Over 400 years, them are regentrify. Them are recreate. So when a black man breed a white woman, that white woman have the child now is intertwined with the original God gene plus the knockoff gene, because white people are knockoff and man-made. See? So now, that little girl there, see? We're at the black blood now, so she has thick. She have big body, she have hip, she have the teeth, she have the good fingernail, everything. Guess what she do now? She grew up half white and then she got married a white man. The white man breed she now. Them have kids. The kids now gone back to 80% white from the white side. With traits of black in them. So the grandchildren them now born thick too. With it, some of the IQ, them get little smarter, them get everything. So, white man not just think about him and him wife, you know. He might think about him great grandchildren them. So them all come with the black element. Although them are white. See? So, over the 400 years now, you see so much thick white girl that you say, oh, white girl get so hot. Cause them granny them do the work. And them great grandmother do the work.
But alright, you know what you say, like with this kind of genetics, me kill actually one food thing, you know that, because alright, like even me that
the food of major part.
Me kill every girl thick nowadays, me kill like one time I saw some slimmers, every girl thick, and when them slim, them thick.
No, but here why, that is totally natural. When there was only Africa, because remember, you know, there was only Africa. As a matter of fact, there was only Ethiopia. Because Africa is not the original name. You know? The entire continent is named Ethiopia. You didn't know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Okay, let me teach you something now. The entire continent was Ethiopia.
Okay.
The little country where you see them as saying Ethiopia. And that's why they switch up history, because them now tell nobody to the entire continent was Ethiopia. When you hear near Africa now, it's from a slave, a colonizer, the name Africa East or something like that. And him shortened it and named the continent Africa. So the name Africa is yeah man, you can go study it, man. See? So enough people don't know that. So when them hear about Ethiopia, them I think about the little country. And now no say, stop me them shouting your glory, the whole continent in name Ethiopia.
Alright, when we know about Africa is that like the globe, you know say the globe, them put Europe at the top of the globe, see? But you know
the whole map.
At the top of the globe. And Europe at the bottom of the globe.
And it's bigger than everything.
And also they put Africa smaller on the globe.
Yeah man. Yeah man. You want to hear something better than that?
But we are telling me surely I never know that.
You want to hear something sweeter than that?
Yeah.
Just go look on the map. And look how far the tip of the edge of Africa, they're from the edge of Jamaica. I will ask yourself, why we have to take 17, 18 hours to go to Africa when it is right there, so.
Yeah, certainly.
Just look.
Never free.
Why you think it takes so long to go to Africa and the flight them so long? It's not because Africa is far from Jamaica, it's because of the route where Babylon gave its travel.
Must be that.
Here why now? Because they don't want people to be accessible to Africa like that, to move the minerals to and from. Then why you have to go through Sidem channel with diamond and the gold them. So they make it illegal for you travel with diamond and gold. So you as a black man in Africa can't trade with me in Jamaica. You understand what I'm saying? You have to go through the white man channel, and the white man are gonna know him of him ultrasound machine and him something them for test you. Or you fi find gold in Ireland and Africa. But it's illegal for you to carry to America. Think about that. How me find something from my land? I mean, can't take it up and carry where me want to carry it go.
And not just that, when you find gold from Ireland and anywhere to the Africa, to the Jamaica, you can't tell nobody. You have to just dig up the gold them one by one and sell them. Once them out of gold, they will move you.
No, that's what I say. It shows it's a highway robbery thing. That's why you have the pirate them out in the ocean. Because them now want to pirate them. They just left Africa, circle Jamaica, circle the Caribbean, because it's right there, it's near. So what them do, them put warship and war things out there to stop you from enter certain zone and certain waters. But not far, Africa not far from it. What you think say, when Africa, think about this, crazy, see? Why when there's a sandstorm in Egypt, them give a warning about sandstorm in LA, California?
Yeah.
Then if it did that far crazy, the sun couldn't reach California One to the ocean, one to snow, one to bag of things. Sand that drop down long time, lose gravity. How them are one in California? Whenever Egypt have a sandstorm, them are one everybody in California to prepare for a sandstorm. How that?
You never know that. I know like California to live down.
No.
Yeah, man, they live in LA for a couple of years.
So you never hear about the Grand Canyon. You never know, so you can walk from the Grand Canyon and go to Egypt. But police block it off. Police block it off. You cannot go.
You can walk from the Grand Canyon and go to Egypt.
Yeah, man.
I hope to Cali to Egypt.
Alright, so you never know, so them say more pyramids in California than in Egypt.
You know, California is basically Mexico.
Mexico upon the side there. But going that way there, across the Grand Canyon. First thing, how them get the name Los Angeles? Is half African goddess them name over there. Dangerous world we living in.
I used to class me there now.
Dangerous world, them now. Alright, why snow no fall at California?
Good question, because California one of the hottest blood clot place they never go make killer.
Yeah, but why it's so hot? Because of the desert. The same thing as Egypt. Egypt no have snow. Egypt no have snow, brother. But Egypt have sandstorm and terrible heat. Relevant enough to agree, you know. Me not ask if you agree. If you don't know something, you're not going to agree with me. That's it. Me not try to convince you neither.
But boy, not close to your youth. That earlier, them say half the story has never been told, isn't it? And the thing is, every day we have to learn some new things, boys. We have to just go and keep the brain open and be willing to learn. You know what I mean? And while learning, ask the most one thing named guidance. Because, brother, you know what I mean? Try to even read a certain book, killer. Because you have to understand that certain book in there. If you don't get that guidance from Jack to read certain book or to gain certain knowledge, don't seek it. Yeah, man, knowledge one thing, is if you get knowledge to it.
Hold on. Them say snowfall at California. In the hills. That's still no defeat when we say, Mr. Why you think snow no fall at California? And like New York, where snowfall everywhere in New York. If one little part of California snowfall, that doesn't mean snowfall at California. You understand what I'm saying? Crazy? When we say snow no fall at California, me no mean one little piece where each up on another diaspora, another diameter up on different part. Look how California big. Hill, Jamaica? California is not a snow state. California is not a snow state. It's a heat state. And that's why they have the desert. They call over the desert. Arizona, them place a desert. Grand Canyon, desert. So not we're missing around. Not we're missing around. New York is a snow state. Alaska, snow state. That's a total different thing. You understand what I'm saying, brother? So when I say this, California are more desert than even road. And why them block off the Grand Canyon? And that me try to ask. Why them Bunny can travel through the Grand Canyon? Why?
Them don't want the Egypt and the mechanic over there, don't.
But them a video with youth where I come from Pakistan and walk right through the Grand Canyon, going to LA with them backpack and everything and then water and beer sitting. Tell us so them a travel for 4 weeks or something like that, walking.
What are you saying to me, fam?
Alright, they see all the part of them ban from the Grand Canyon. You have people living there where can't come out in a California now. In there, them stuck in there now. Can't remember the border, them lock you can't come out and nothing can't go in there now.
Yeah.
In the Grand Canyon, in the desert, you know, bro. So some people live in America and they have a clue. Alright, you didn't know, sir. You have a river from the Bible. I eat them rename and run from Africa straight into America. I don't remember if it's the Mississippi River or one of them. Run straight from Africa into America. Tell them to explain that then.
River Nile, not the River Nile.
One of them. Me not tell some me not tell
Canada as well, you know.
I think so. But me I tell you something, you know the direct specs man that me not gonna tell you. But there's a river that runs straight from Africa, straight into America. So where the blood clot it run if it never adjoining where the river run?
Makes sense. If you never connect, like if something not connect, the river can't connect either.
So the river gonna take jump in the sky and come down back. Some people don't pay attention in a dog. Them just feel like say true them don't know what you talk a fuck. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
And them would even go research. Go research no man.
Because the thing is, you know, when someone has understand to dog is I say, yo, no fighting about we learn, you know, what them want we learn, you know, but you see.
Exactly, that's what you have to
learn. The basic knowledge and research into knowledge are two different things, you know.
Bro, you have to learn to unlearn. You have to learn, unlearn. Go and look at any map, the original map or the new map where they make. Jamaica is not that far from Africa. That's what more you do for me tonight, crazy.
Now, let me tell you something, I want to remain a foot. I'm going to stay there. When I get information, I'm going to just take information and run with it. Never research because more learn something more about what we can educate you same way to make it.
The team body is crazy. Why Jamaica?
From Jamaica.
Alright. Okay. So you think so when the ship them did a carry slave? At 200 hour them ship from? You're mad man, I right this right there. Africa they close to Jamaica. Why you think when them share the same climate? Why you think all of the food them where they are Africa they are Jamaica? Think about that.
The African them bring alright, the African them them bring food them across because it's like certain food, like for example, because me pre-eat already before, like a food like okra for example, which is a very top solid protein food, and I mean full of vitamins. You know all them transport and the okra them over there, them put them in the bread and the slave them in them ear, the seeds them, you see me? And then transport them go across and plant them in Jamaica.
So you feel like if them they travel for 6 months or a year to reach Jamaica, okra that start grow out of the head.
Facts.
Brother, right, that's Africa there, brother. But the route what them give to travel, the route, them make the route impossible. If you jump on a boat in a Jamaica now, and say we are go over Africa, you see channel where you have to go through the water, be a gunshot take you. And then drop bomb in the head like you see jump and drop bomb in a boat them. And I tell you about the drugs. Exactly. So, all Trump knows say, cocky and the pan them on them boat. And you're not going to stop the boat them and intercept them. You just have drop bomb on them. How you know caught the pan? Think about that like crazy man. Just think. You there, America where you there. And you use your telescope. How you know a blood clot drugs in them on them boat? And just drop bomb on them.
A big agenda them are free, man.
Big agenda, the route of the channel, them no want no vessel in a them place there.
Yeah.
You know if you see or you know if you see.
True.
And the same thing with Antarctica. Why nobody can go across Antarctica? Why? Why a place there on Earth when nobody can go across? Why?
So much questions need to be asked, brother. I can tell you one thing. You see, we only can educate ourselves on this world because no matter how we good for that, you see, we can't change. No, we only can educate then and learn, and anybody who is willing to learn how to educate themselves. And the next generation them can get some more knowledge and try to elevate that to one different level, Mikila. But all of we get tricked, Mikila.
Watch this crazy. Watch this. But this one here I do right now, I'm trick myself right now.
In a real life.
Yeah. Brother, or when Christopher Columbus them come here, Africans were there already.
Until I discovered Jamaica.
No, but me I show you about the distance thing. Remember say, Nanny was a queen in Africa, you know. Remember this, you know. And she send her people them, you know. And them are dead off down here in a war going, you know. What she do? She come over here. So if the journey did so in years after, how so much African know the route and reach her? Tell me now. What do you mean such a thing? No plane never exists when none of them are on the place. What you talking about? No. Me say plane never exists. What do you mean such a thing? It never exists. Never exists. So that means say the African them know say me can go down Walton Park Road and when me take the right turn it can be straight down to Spanish Town Road. Them know the route. Them know the route. I remember Nanny send her family them and things come down here. And then she come after. She had the queen, she never must come in. And when she come, she never want to go back neither. She live in Jamaica till she dead. So think over me, man. A fool them take up her brother. Fool them take up her dog. Africa then near Jamaica, near. I don't know, 13 hour flight. If in a year it's closer, if them to make a flight from Jamaica, the tip of Jamaica out of Center Mass, I'll go to the tip of Africa a little bit of time in a plane. But you cannot fly there. You cannot ship there. Remember, pirate do it all the time. You know? Hey, me can tell you something. I'm sure you even thought this. What do you, some youth, them hold them on a boat, right?
Yeah.
So them are coming to America, hold them on a boat, and carry them back to Jamaica. My brethren call me, see him, and put me on the phone video call with the youth of them all. And the man, they back at Port Royal, see him? And the man said, Puta, them want me this time, I'm joking, man. About 4 times ago already, man. Next month, I'm gone again. Then the man call more day. America, the man there. The man come, work, do him look at him, make a money, jump back from boat, go back to Jamaica. The man know the water, the man know the route. The man say once a week, the courtyard, I swear for my life.
No, me believe I'm
the man them know the short route, the little channel them too. Alright, it's like how we know road. The man them know water, bro. The man they come in America, enter and feel like, brother. And the man them now run after the night, you know. Cause the man come here, do him thing, and work, make a money and go in back. And the man come here regular. And the man have visa, not all, not him passport. But the man them know the water. When we bridging, come bridging I tell me person, I say you must be blood clot, man. Of course you have to kill him. And the man call money, cause them hold him and he come on TV. When of course they are them hold him and they say, no man, we are fisherman and we don't know if they cheat on TV.
Like them dripper or something.
Yeah. I'm talk to the youth and the youth I said, no man, I regular go in there, you're good man. Listen to that again, the man, when the man there in a foreign, the man called me. He said, you're there man. Man don't want to live a foreign. Man has gone back from him boat to Jamaica. Because he might go through different waters. See him like how we know a road. You see the man who live at sea, they know certain road. Tiki say, my bro do that, and they know all the roads to Mexico and Colombia. And that joke they make. See how someone run water, crazy, different. Some man run water different, bro. And the man them know say Africa, the man them say Africa they right there, so right blood clot there, so. When I say right there, some of them mean just like right there saying, but the time when them I tell you we go Africa, them 15, 18 hour flight there, fuck it.
But I never seen now. We've been know that long time ago. Them are trying to separate not just African but black people because if you look at Africa, man, like them have the United States of America, where you know say, oh, you have one passport now in America and you can just travel to this state. But in Africa, you can't travel from Ghana to Nigeria without getting a blood class visa, killer.
No, but here why them do that. Here why that happen now. Remember when King Leopold and the council did a share of Africa. So King Leopold did say, you are going all crazy. Me no want to slave them over my party. Remember Leopold never got Africa yet, you know.
Yeah.
And the man share of Africa, you know, the man in white him, and he never set foot in Africa yet, you know. And him kill over 15 million people in a Congo, you know. And he never go over there yet, you know. So what them do now, them share up the place. Now them say crazy about here. Whole Nigeria, whole Ghana, whole the thing, and I hear 5 countries them there. So because they know on the confusion now, they must say you are crazy. You have a brand new slave, them different. So you're a slave, nothing left that zone and coming on my place. Yeah, so I saw you see Africa divide up. Africa was one Ethiopian, remember when we tell you good?
Yeah, remember that.
Africa was one Ethiopia. So there was no passport and nothing. There was no, first thing, no one ever did name Middle East, you know, brother. Not never name say, you know. A separation cast that, you know. A ownership cast that, you know.
Yeah. Look at that much like the world Middle East.
Yeah, there was no, yeah. None of that never there, you know, bro. Africans used to go anywhere, you know, travel anywhere. Then even China, bro. How you think China exists? Africans go build China, you know, bro. Original Chinese and Japanese blacker than me, you know, bro. You didn't know that? With the same straight hair and the fat nose, but them black like tar.
Yeah, man.
You didn't know, say, Kung Fu, karate.
Some Indian people too.
Then Indian, no we. So we see a man.
Indigenous people, you know, where them black, no blue, they make it better.
Whether they know where
them blue, you know that.
Where the original, watch this. You didn't know, say, Kung Fu, karate, as you know it. African origin, you didn't know that?
No.
Rascal, yeah.
But they feel like you're from somewhere in Asia there.
No, but no, brother, in Asia never exists. Africans travel the earth and go create everything else. So you see, I go on. Brother, the first samurai, them and them people are black. Alright, Arabs. Oh, you see, Arab love go on. About Indian or where. The first Arab them part earth a black man. Black, woolly hair man.
Yeah. I know the Arab them don't really like the black man them too much.
Because them say foolish is the man who hate himself. Cause Arab black see everywhere. You know see Arab black till all them teeth black.
I don't know joke boy. I don't know joke, you know.
You never see Pakistan man them yet and the Iran man them teeth black. When we got Dubai, my youth, a big black teeth Pakistani, and them mouth brush them teeth and them, but them teeth just black, and they know how them use black in them teeth.
Natural blackness.
When the man them a smile, a big black, you see. Big man thing, you know. Yeah. That's why I tell you sometimes we can't have a conversation with certain people because they not trouble the world, them not see certain things, them not know say certain things do exist out there. You see me as a dog?
Yeah, man, keep me that place here, Arab start on slavery. Where's the foot up?
Yeah, man, then a black from black trade. Yeah. Then even when the white man start take over, you know, they never go in Africa first, because they kill the African, them kill them, you know. What them do, them use the Arab them to start kidnap them and sell them back. Because remember, black people and black people. So we used to trust the old black.
From the beginning, bro, man.
We used to love our own black brother them. So the Arab them infiltrate, but when they must say Arab, I don't like how you say Arab now, we are just Indian. The Arab them did black just like me and you.
Start no man.
Yeah, so people don't know that. When some people that are reason them a reason from now. You can't reason from now, you have a reason from the original. You can't start at the middle of the story. You have to start from the beginning.
Put all you know you are educated, you see? But you know, everyone ask you, bro, like, when you left on that journey where you start to research some very important information, I want to bring you to that level.
Alright, the first thing we have to understand, I'm not educated. to be educated is to be the dumbest thing from the world. Because education, first, yeah, and knowledge and wisdom are work. You see, education, when you are educated, you are basically saying you are the best puppet. Because remember, remember this is not crazy. When you go to school, them say, the cow jump over the moon.
The moon, yes.
The little dog laugh to see such fun. And the dish run away with the moon. So when you do the test now, watch this now when you do the test. And the teacher say, mental ability. The dog run away with the what? Are you right answer, miss? The dog can't run with no spoon. That is a lie. You fail. Remember, she right, so you fail. So basically, you have to be the best puppet. In order to be educated, you have to be the best puppet. The person who can remember what the slave master tell you the most. You become the most decorated person. Education is not a good thing.
Alright, you know, just like, me and my son are reasons, Dean.
Yeah.
I have my son to your brother, I'm tell you things, Dean, in a real life, like, school-wise, academic-wise, you have everything, okay, so. But you don't see it in a real life, nothing with them teaching at school. When you get big, you realize you don't need 90% of what them teaching at school.
No, you don't need it, especially if you have a God-given talent.
Yes. That's a fact.
Crazy. What color here, yeah. Look on it. What color them there?
Black.
No, what color them there? The color them me see. What color?
No, me have red. Me have
Stop.
Yeah.
Who decides say that color they are red?
No, most of the people that go to the one decided.
Alright, but watch this. Why we have to abide to say I red? How we not enough proof say I red?
That's a fact.
You never think about that here, right?
No, I've heard me think about that before. For example, like,
yeah, but watch it. Suppose I lie them at tell. Suppose I trick them at trick with.
No, but we know so we are living a lie, Nicola. The world we are living,
no,
we are living a lie.
No, just show you how dangerous education is. Because you say I read, me know I read, everybody else so I say I read. But how the fuck the world we come here say the same thing? And we not enough proof. I say I read. So the person will tell me say I read will feed them agenda. Think about that.
Alright, you know, me I used to raise one day and my teach me a thing, Dean. My teach me a thing about good morning, but morning and evening.
And morning. Morning and morning.
Morning and morning and evening is Eve celebration, Dean.
Yes.
Alright. Me have some Rasta reads one day, because since I know about that, me have some Rasta reads one day, like how much month make a year for that?
Them say 12.
How much you say?
Me don't know how much make a year because it can't accurate. Because when me see
13 accurate, because
no, but
what I said accurate, let me tell you. 7 days make 1 week. You see me?
No, it's accurate by them counting. But when me say in reality, me give a bigger reason.
You know what? If you put every single month to 28 days, you have 28 exactly less black.
You will get a solid because them change it up and that's why you have 30 and 31 and 28. Them fuck with it. Because them are fuck with the solar cycle and how your body will operate. You didn't know, say, if you don't remember your birthday, you can never get old.
Fuck.
It will. You know, you want me to tell you the truth? Me hear that something the Lord crazy. Me hear that something the Lord. The back, the back. Yeah. Crazy. Want me to tell you the biggest prison in the world? No. The two biggest prisons in the world, so one here. The clock. And the second biggest prison is the calendar.
Calendar, yeah. That makes sense then.
We live.
Somebody said there's no month.
There's no month. No month. And we can tell you something against crazy. And you got probably drop them when you hear this. So you're born. And one day you're living until now.
Yeah,
you're 1 day old. We're not an age. We're not an age. Alright. Let me show you why. How much hours them say make a day?
Them for 24.
So who decide? You ever see the day stop and start over here?
Lord God.
Alright, watch this crazy. Make a reason good. Zin, we are gonna reason good. You ever see tomorrow?
No. Tomorrow never.
So how you move? So how you move from 1 day to 2 days till you're 40 till me a 40? How that work? And the 1 day never done yet.
That makes sense.
It's a mind illusion. And we make ourselves get old. Because we celebrate birthday every year. And every year you add one more number so your mind. I tell your body say you get older. So if there was no calendar, you'd never get old. And if there was never a watch, we would never rush for nothing.
That's a fact.
The only reason why you rush to work, because you don't want late, you don't want to lose your job. If there was no time to go to work, you just go work.
That's a fact. And that's something I always talk about, you know. And if you really pre all them control time, you see, when you have one heap of work to do, the time run. And when you don't have nothing to do, the time stop.
But there's no time. It's your mind. Right.
Time. Yeah.
Right. So that, remember, you know, if you think say you're 16 all the time, you're crazy, you can't look older than 16. But because every year, there's a blood clot, me at 35 now. Blood clot, blood clot, me I get older. And you are tell your body, say it all, so it start wrinkle.